Stibo Systems
enables my mind.
Our minds.
To become more trusted,
more invested, and more connected.
Regardless of our role,
we are a business with a conscience.
A business that understands the value of data in everyone's life.
I love to do some problem solving. If I don't know something, there are at least a couple of people in the office that have more experience than me, and so being able to instantly get that feedback, really absorb some new knowledge that I wouldn't have thought of before, I think is a lot of fun for me. Something that I'm super proud of is getting to see these massive companies knowing that they're running the code that I wrote. I'm getting to be a part of not just the Stibo mission, but their mission, making them better.
My name is Ethan, and I'm an active mind.
We are trusted by some of the world's leading companies.
And we trust each other.
We are together even when apart.
It's an international environment with great connections.
And friends all over the world.
So Stibo Systems as a company live with their values. People are very accommodating. People care about each other. The well-being is being looked at as an employee. We have different work cultures everywhere, right? So that's one thing. I think they let us work on our own style. That's important.
My name is Shrikant. I'm an open mind.
You will find colleagues in the hallway,
meeting rooms,
and online that care.
For me.
For you.
For our well-being. No matter who you are.
I'm in the lucky position of working a lot with our partners in different regions. Good partnership is having someone who's very engaged within software in general and also wants to make a difference with the customers. Having a global role also means that a lot of relationships towards people at other offices. Also being here, that you're then connected to a location that offers a bunch of opportunity of connecting with your colleagues. My name is Camilla, and I'm the Exploring Mind.
You will find plenty of opportunities for growth.
With our MDM Academy,
graduate program,
and our unique Stibo Systems Accelerator.
The way we work with innovation in Stibo is we figure out what the market need is, and we figure out how we can position ourselves in that market. To me, it just drives my passion for working with products and working with product development. Seeing those concepts, ideas turn into life and actually solve problems, real-world problems. And that's, to me, is amazing. My name is Søren, and I'm the passionate mind.
Sustainability is not just a buzzword around here.
We engage in social work that benefits local communities and vulnerable groups.
That's meaningful work.
I've volunteered my whole life. We go quarterly to a free grocery store where we kind of stock the shelves, and people who wouldn't be able to afford groceries will take a basket of items to make sure that their families don't go hungry. Just a sense of accomplishment, right? You want the time that we spend to be meaningful. And I'm so happy that, I really have been able to give the time. So, obviously there's deadlines and we have goals, and to be able to pursue kind of a passion, I'm very thankful that people will come help you. And it's been amazing.
I'm Katrina, and I'm the curious mind.
I'm a committed mind.
I'm the crazy mind.
I'm the questioning mind.
I'm the adventurous mind.
I'm the brainy mind.
And I'm a bold mind.
At Stibo Systems, we are all kinds of data minds.